especially to finish our partnership this way, on such a high, and not just winning, but winning the way we did in the final was, yeah, it's been pretty amazing.
How difficult is it to part with a partner after winning a Worlds like that? I mean, how do partners part in a tennis partnership?
Look, I mean, as tennis players, yeah, there are some tough decisions that we have to make, but I think that as tennis players and as athletes, we have to look forward to what's happening, forward. You have to accept change, and, I respect her decision because. Like she said, I'm at the prime of my career right now. She's obviously, that's her first comeback. I mean, she's already had a baby, and maybe she's thinking of another one, and she's, planning to go the other way and see where life takes her. And, that's something that I completely respect and understand, and I really do hope and wish her well. Of course, it's really hard. I mean, to win the biggest champion of the year and to say this was going to be our last tournament, but it's not like, we are splitting because we don't want to play together. We're splitting because, of other circumstances, and I totally respect that.
Sania, Grand Slam, Asian Games, and this is something of the best streaks you have ever.
Yeah, no, it's been
difficult. What was the emotion period to went through?
No, I think physically it was extremely challenging for me because the last few months it's been non-stop really. It's been extremely, it's been so hectic. I've had no time to myself. I mean, I was sick before I went to the championships. I mean, when I met you guys, I was a bit sick, I think, last time. And yeah, but it's something, you just pull through, you try and push yourself, try and push your body every day. And that's really how it's been. And emotionally, it's been an unbelievable ride for me, to make certain decisions, whether to, skip a tournament, to go play Asian Games, and then to come back with a gold from there, and then still get into the championships and come back with a win from there. I mean, it's probably, if I would have written a script, it would have probably been this way. But so it is, yeah, I'm kind of living a dream. Actually, before the final, it's so funny. I mean, we were probably going to play the biggest final of our lives, and we went in, and because of the last two matches, we lost we were down match points, and we thought that we were almost done, and we had already lost, almost. I mean, we were down 3 match points in the match before, and literally, we were on the court. We finished at 10 o'clock at night, and we were back at the warm-up at 11 o'clock in the morning because we were playing. So it was, I think we were so over the stress that we were so relaxed when we went to play, because in our minds we were supposed to be out of the tournament the night before because we were down 3 match points. And when we came to play, I mean, I think that's why we could play our best tennis. And, we just went out there, we started swinging, tried to keep focus and just try and focus and feel that we were lucky and blessed.